It's a real pleasure to be here today. I'm seeing guys that I've not seen in 39 years plus, and it's awesome. I feel a sense of youthfulness that I used to miss for a long time, because those days were my formative years. But it's good to be here. Why is a government college just so important to me? It shaped me. Everybody I've met along the line have been awesome in my life. Even my university days does not compare with those days. And for me, it's a honor to have gone to such a school. As it were, I haven't seen a lot of these guys for two reasons. Immediately, I left Government College Ojo. I think it was just 18 months thereafter, I left the shores of Nigeria to the UK, and I only came back 10 years ago. And since then, I've met a few of our old mates. And look, today's feeling is out of this world. I'm so happy to have met a lot of my mates that I've not seen in 39 years, going to 40. And look, for me, I'm honored to be here. I couldn't have wished for any better sort of any better thing happening to me today. And so, yes, I'm really proud to be a product of Government College Ojo.